The main reason I became a patient at Blades Wellness was, this is probably about 14 years ago when I retired. Within a couple of years, I noticed I was slowing down. I felt tired. I didn't have the stamina I used to have. And two of my daughters were having thyroid issues, and they were on thyroid hormone. So one of them had done some research, and she suggested I look into it and recommended Dr. Blades or Blades Wellness. So we came and we got tested and found out we were deficient. I was deficient in both thyroid hormone as well as testosterone, which happens frequently in men as they age. How did I feel after the first consultation? What we did was go over blood test results. And she highlighted, Dr. Blades highlighted that I had a thyroid hormone deficiency as well as a testosterone. But I was also very pleased with the overall wellness approach that she takes in her practice. So it's not just hormone replacement. She looks at the rest of your things and will recommend supplements that will improve your overall health and stamina. I started noticing changes in my health within 3 to 6 months. And I think it was quite interesting. I went after 6 months to do my annual physical with my family doctor, and he saw that I was taking both the thyroid hormone as well as the testosterone, and they asked me if it was doing any good. When I told him, well, I had more stamina and I could hit the golf ball about 10 yards further per club. And him being an avid golfer, he says, my partner and I have been talking about getting into hormone replacement therapy, but he said, I got to really look into this because I can afford to hit the ball a little bit further than I do. Overall, the biggest transformation for me has been one of more strength, more stamina. In fact, I can't really sit still very long. I got to get up and move around now. So I'm much more active. I can go play golf, play around the golf, and I don't feel when I get home I have to take a nap. So I'm very pleased with what's going on with that. What I can do longer with the treatment I've had so far is I got more stamina. I think I've got a little bit more physical strength. So I'm able to work in my flower beds and do my yard work much easier, and I can actually do more work out at one time. How would I describe myself versus some of my friends in my age group? I think in a lot of ways I'm a little bit more vigorous than they are. I think I can work a little harder. I can play a little harder, and at the end of the day, I'm in a little bit better shape. For anybody who is having the same types of problems that I was having, and for men, once you hit the 60s, everybody's going to get it to some extent. I would highly recommend being checked, have blood tests done. Go see a specialist like Dr. Blades at Blades Wellness, who can focus on your overall wellness. Not, hormone treatment is part of it, but there's supplements that will, help you not develop mind fog. One of the things that I got a benefit from, I had a knee replacement done about 4 months ago, and she suggested I drink a supplement that contained collagen, and I think it really helped my recovery, and I think I recovered quicker because of that.